Hi everyone. I would like to help you and show you an easy way to grade. Okay. So the first thing that you would need to do is click on functions. Okay. Then it'll bring you here. So here's where you'll find the easy way to put in your grades. So for example, right now I'm grading an activity my students received a 100 in. So instead of me putting it in manually one by one, I'm going to do it this way. So click on find, click on grade, click on is blank since all of the grades are blank right now, and then click on grade, and then I'm going to put 100 and then click submit. And as you can see, it says 21 replacements were made. So let's check it out. And now you can see that all the grades were put to 100. Okay. If you want to do the same thing for the comments, click on comment, click on is blank, click on the comment, put 100, click on submit, and then you'll see that all of the comments were put to 100. Okay, there is another way that you can change the grades as well. So for example, click on grade, click off of that, click on equal. So for example, if you wanted to change all of the grades, for example, if I want to put it all to 80, let's put equal 100, change the grade to 80. Click it. Now let's check it out. And look, all the grades were changed to 80. If you want to do that for the comments, click on comment, click on the equal sign, 100, change this 80, click on submit, and look, it changed the grade to 80. Isn't that cool? It makes it so much easier to put in grades instead of doing it manually. I want to show you another trick. Click on grade, okay, click on the less than. So let's put grades that are less than 90. Let's change them to 100. Click on grade. Now, look, it changed all of the grades that were less than 90 to 100. Okay, and you could do the same thing for the comment. I want to show you something else as well. Greater than. So if you put all of the grades that are greater than 90, what if I wanted to change that back to 80? Click on submit. And look, it changed it to 80. Okay, so I just want my students all to have 100 because all of them were able to get 100. So I'm just going to put it back. And the way I'm going to put it back is all grades. So I have them greater than 90. They're all 80 right now. So I'm just going to change it back. Less than 90. And I want to make them 100 again. So I'm going to click submit. And now all of the grades are back to 100. And I just want to do the same thing for the comments. I want to make it back to 100. Make 100. Click submit. And now all the grades are to 100. Okay, so this has helped me so much when I put in grades instead of doing it manually. So I hope that it helps you. If the video is going too fast with the steps, you can also click on the settings to make the video go slower, okay, if you need it to be slower in order for you to look at all the steps, because there is different ways to change the grade. So I hope this helps you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much.